Kaylin Reviews. Hey guys, today I'm reviewing Sweetheart Pebbles by Slime Upside. This is one of the slimes from my Valentine's Day collection, and I'm really excited for this one because I don't have a texture like this one, and it's really sticky. I want to get this for like a beginner that just started playing with slime because it's really sticky and it's very messy. All the beads fly everywhere on the counter, and I had to add activator to it so then it wouldn't be as sticky. But other than that, it makes great pops and it's fun to play with. I rate this one a 7 out of 10. Stay tuned for more Valentine's Day reviews. Bye!